What's up? Today's mahi is an Xbox One X. It needs thermal paste replacement as it switches off on its own. This is usually the main indicator. So I've taken the Xbox apart, as you can see there. I've got the motherboard there. I've taken off the X clamp on the back of it, so I'm about to take off the heatsink and have a look. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's dry as hell. So I'll bring that in there so you can see there. There's no paste on there, it's bone dry. So what I'll do is I'll clean that up and put a fresh coat on that. Also on the heatsink itself, and it's dry as shit. So yeah, I'll get onto that now. I'll get back to you later. Ciao.